How do you know that your A+ content is not good enough to convert? Look, A+ content matters. It boosts conversion. Think about it like this. When a shopper clicks on your listing, they have a purpose: to learn more about your product. They have already seen your main image, title, price in the search result and willing to click on your listing. And now, if you can't hold them on your listing page, you lose sales. And that's where your A+ content comes in. Most Amazon sellers focus only on visuals. They think vibrant colors, heavily decorated text graphics, and model photos will increase their conversion rate. But what they don't understand is your A+ content needs to be visually appealing and strategic at the same time. So before you grab a graphic designer and fix your A+ content, you first need to understand what actually works and what doesn't. Alright, so how you can know that? Well, the good news is Amazon already have the solution in Seller Central. It's called A+ Content Quality Analysis. Alright, so there are two reasons you should explore this tool. Number one, it helps you understand what works and what doesn't. Number two, it's based on Amazon's own recommendation. So if you follow this, you gain an advantage. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to explore this tool and we will see how you can improve your A+ content. So let's begin. Alright, so let's open one example. For that, heading over to the advertising and then we're gonna go to the A+ Content Manager. Now, here you can see these new features. This is still in beta version, by the way. However, so if we click on the content quality analysis, here you see the listings and then right after that recommendation available. Let's open an example. We are looking at this skin toner, and if you open this detailed recommendation section, you'll see Amazon is giving all these suggestions on what to improve. So first one here, enhance clinical credibility. Basically what they are saying is you should add before and after, some clinical data, percentages, stuff like that to build trust. Now, does this make sense? Yeah, for skincare, definitely. But here is the thing. This is something I actually put in the main listing image first. Not just rely on A+ content for this. So what you understand is that you can get the recommendation and apply to anything anywhere else. You can use this recommendation and you can improve your main images. Next one, ingredient education. So yeah, what they are basically saying here is this section is a bit too text heavy. And if you actually look at it, it's more like paragraph style, which most people are probably not going to read fully anyway. So turning this into something more visual, like breaking it down ingredient by ingredient, maybe icons, short callouts. Yeah, that's actually a solid recommendation. Next, usage instructions. So they are basically suggesting step-by-step guidance, clearer application, expected result, all of that. And yeah, on paper, that sounds good. But personally, I don't fully agree with putting this in A+ content first. Because this is the kind of thing that should already be handled in your main listing images. Like that's where you remove your confusion. That's where you reduce returns. A+ should really just support that, not carry the weight of it. So yeah, you can include it here, but if this is missing from your main listing images, that's a bigger problem. Alright, so move on to the next, which is clean beauty positioning. They're basically saying you are not highlighting the organic, clean side enough. And for a product like this, that actually matters a lot. So yeah, having a section focused on ingredients, sourcing, clean formulation, that's a solid move. Next, professional heritage. Alright, so they're basically saying like 20+ years expert use, that stuff isn't really highlighted properly. Again, this makes sense. But this is pretty basic branding, nothing crazy here. Now, this one is interesting, different product technology. They're talking about alloy-based versus water-based. And this is where it actually becomes more important. Because now you are talking about positioning, like why this is different from other brands, why this is different from other toners. And this can actually impact conversions. But overall, here is what I would say. Most of these recommendations, they are not wrong, but they are not also advanced. If you are a beginner, this actually helpful, like it gives you direction. But if you already know how to build good listing, then this is very basic stuff for you. And one important thing here I would suggest, you should always optimize your listing images first. That's your first priority, and then your A+ content. One thing that most sellers do wrong is that your A+ content should not introduce more information or new information. Rather, it should reinforce what you already showed in your main images. And one more thing, it's very clear that Amazon is using AI for recommendation. Like it's literally analyzing your images, your layout, trying to understand what's missing. So yeah, Amazon is going heavy into AI. And this is probably just the beginning. So overall, what I think is it's pretty much good feature, especially if you are not really sure how to structure your A+ content, and especially for the beginners. But here is my suggestion, don't just follow everything blindly. Use it as a guide, not a rule. Because at the end of the day, creating high converting A+ content, it's not just about adding what Amazon suggests. It's need design sense, like how you structure visuals, color balance, image composition, typography, spacing, even small things like shadow. All of these are completely different skill sets. And that's where most sellers struggle. So if you want your A+ content look actually good and you want conversions, that's exactly what we do at Ecomclips. Here you can see our best works. And if you want your A+ look like this and high converting, you can mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we will get back to you ASAP. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you a lot. If so, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.